Do you know what the inside layout of this container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet 2 shipping containers. The total area I've taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter and the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. So in the front we have sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, chair arrangement, tea table arrangement and also a unit on the front wall, and we have a kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, also a dining counter with 3 chairs and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If we go on the front side, so we have a storage unit here. You can see here the large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose of this area, and on the right side we have washroom plus water closet for common use. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we'll go on the left side. So we have 3 feet in meter 0.91 meter wide passage here, and on the right side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, unit arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and also study table with 2 chairs and large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. And on the left side we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, unit arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and large size window for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.